So as you can see, the weather is changing quickly. The wind is picking up, and it feels like the wind is going in like every direction possible. Not blowing just one way, but there are some cross winds in there too. So anyways, I'm here in my little lanai, right? And I'm here with my blanket. And I'm kind of cozying up because since I was a kid, I always enjoyed the rain sound mixed with the wind and the unpredictability feeling that anything can happen right now. Kind of like makes me feel kind of cozy, right? I'm not going to be here too long because when that hurricane does go by, a lot of the wind will go through my screen here in my little lanai I have. Now my cats are still in the house. If they were here outside with me, they wouldn't stand still. The edge of my screen is already getting all wet, and I don't want them to get all wet. And I kind of enjoy this moment right now. I really do. I just like a nice heavy rain. Like I said, ever since I was a little child, when it rained, I used to run by the window with a pillow and a blanket just like this. And my grandmother would take me cookies and milk, and I would just be out there watching the rain come down. I think what's going to end up happening is that hurricane would be going by, I think, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. in the morning. I could very well be sleeping as it goes by. I don't know. I know that the last hurricane, Hurricane Helene, as it went through, I fell asleep in bed, and when I woke up, it was still raining, but it went by without me feeling anything. But that's no indication of how this one's gonna go.